You write all your own lyrics?
What's this, 20 questions?
How come you haven't got the chorus wrote down yet?
'Cause I haven't come up with it yet.
I could write it for you.
This ain't Mad Libs, Chiles. You can't just fill in a blank with a noun America loves.
Well, I could write good lyrics if I wanted to. Maybe I just haven't been inspired by anyone yet. You ever think about that?
I don't need to be singing about my achy, breaky heart.
Give in to me. That's what it's called. I like that title.
Good, then don't mess it up.
Oh my God. The Miss America pageant's on. Oh, I'm just dying for Miss Oklahoma to win. She's got the best figure and she does the prettiest ribbon routine.
I think I need a drink. You want one?
It's just a tiny one.
How would I change the world if I won this crown? I'd start by putting country music on all U.S. outbound flights. I'd change the national anthem to Merle Haggard's Mama Tried.
This is how you win a beauty pageant.
Oh, that's sick.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished judges.
That's such bullshit.
Then, give them one of my 7 smiles.
Yeah, let's see him.
Well, I got swimsuit. And then interview.
I like that one.
I got my formal wear.
Which one's your drunk off my ass smile?
I think you're drunk.
You know, I think we should have a swimsuit competition.
I don't have a swimsuit.
Well, you're wearing bra and panties, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm doing it. Here we go. You versus me.
Beau, what are you
Don't
doing?
be a chicken shit about this, child. I've seen plenty of ladies in their swimsuits before. I'm getting in mine just so we're even. Your turn.
All right. But no pictures. I go on to be Miss America one day.
So what do we do now? Build a sandcastle or something?
Oh my God, that must be James.
What the hell's he doing here?
Put your pants on.
Well, it's not like you have to answer it or anything.
You know I do. Put your pants on. Hurry. Hi, James.
Hey.
I was just showing Beau my pageant walk. And he was leaving, right, Beau? You were just leaving?
Yeah.
Well, that's something I'd like to see. Is that guy liner? That's real cute, Beau. Statesman's calling you next, Carrie Underwood.
Really?
Yep, you're on their top 10 country artists to watch list.
Was Beau on the list?
Yep.
The next town's Van Sant. Who's that?
He was a singer-songwriter.
Was he famous?
In some circles, but not nearly as famous as Carrie Underwood.
How'd you know? How'd you know I had it in me?
I just took one look at you, darling. I mean, you might as well be holding up a stop sign.
Most people just pass right through.
Yeah, well, they'll regret it. I promise you that.
Well, you just gotta figure out another pickup line.
How Beau?
You have a good time last night?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's good.
I finished your lyrics for you. There they are.
Oh, God, how'd you ever find the time?
You be quiet, Beau Hutton.
Hey, Charles, me and the guys here were talking about that year MacArthur returned back to the Philippines. Just none of us could think of when that was. When was that?
Making fun of me, Beau.
Well, I don't know. Let me check my flashcard. Yes, I am.
You're an asshole.